Hello everyone. My name is Mehran Najarian, and I'm excited to present my final project for CS50X, the CS50 Persian Subtitles Translator. As a Persian speaker taking this amazing Harvard course, I quickly realized a big challenge. While CS50 lectures have subtitles in many languages, high-quality Persian, Farsi, subtitles are not officially available for most videos. This makes it harder for millions of Persian-speaking learners around the world to fully enjoy and understand Professor David J. Malan's incredible explanations. So, for my final project, I built a fully automated Python tool that takes any English CS50 SRT subtitle file and generates a professional quality Persian SRT file, complete with accurate translations, proper multi-line formatting, and correct right-to-left display. Let me show you how it works. First, here's my Jupyter notebook with the complete code, nicely documented in sections. I start with a standard English SRT file from a CS50 lecture, for example, this one from lecture 0 or 1. When I run the full pipeline. 1. The script cleans and standardizes the SRT format, fixing any inconsistencies. 2. It converts multi-line subtitles to single lines temporarily. This helps the translator understand full context. 3. It extracts just the English text lines. 4. Here's the smart part. Instead of translating line by line, which gives poor results, it groups lines into complete sentences based on punctuation, translates the entire sentence using Google Translate for better accuracy in natural Persian, then intelligently splits the longer Persian translation back into multiple lines, matching the original English proportions so the subtitles remain easy to read on screen. 5. Finally, it rebuilds the SRT file, applying special Unicode RTL control characters to every Persian line. This ensures perfect right-to-left display in any video player, no more messed up punctuation or English terms like CS50, Python, or algorithm. Here's the final result, a clean Persian SRT file. Look, the Persian subtitles appear perfectly aligned, easy to read, with proper line breaks and correct direction. English terms stay intact, punctuation is in the right place, and the timing matches exactly. This tool produces subtitles that feel natural and professional, making CS50 much more accessible to Persian speakers in Iran, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, and the global diaspora. The entire project is open source. You can find the Jupyter notebook, README, and code on my GitHub. Feel free to use it, improve it, or translate more lectures. Thank you, Professor Malan, the CS50 team, and the whole community for this life-changing course.
All right, this is CS50, and this is the end.